This is a brand new 2014 Honda CR-V. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. All of the following features are included: Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, a CD player, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning, and a backup camera. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Thank you for considering Bill Pierce Courtesy Honda for your next new or pre-owned vehicle. If you have any questions, call our internet department, visit our website, or stop by our dealership. We are conveniently located at 780 Kinski Lane in Reno. We look forward to serving you.